Okay, it's complete. Everything is perfect. This is the lights button, one by one working like that. One, that two lights on, one off, second off, together on. And here is the bulb, this one for the bulb, and the battery indicator together. We off. This one for flashlight, white over there. This one for yellow over there. And this one for inverter. Here the small green light over there down, can see. So everything is complete. Let we test outside. It's look like a cat. Here is the lens. Here is the time to test. Wow, this is the light. You can see too far. Yes, perfect. Wow. Let's see the flashlight long distance. Wow. It can reach to that tree, and this tree is very far. Perfect. That was a white light, and this is yellow light. Perfect. Good range and super wide angle. All road can cover. And battery indicator is perfect and can use also all lights together. Here, see, all is on together. Super bright, super perfect. Wow, that is perfect. All lights on together. With the soft light can find the chili. This bulb, yeah, chili in the dark. That was our 12 volt 287 watt hour DC flashlight soft light power station, and I use the Sony VTC5 and Muli cells in this. Works very well. High drain, high power cells. Everything work very perfect. Very fast charging. I use the 12 volt 12.6 volt 5 amp lithium ion charger that charge really very fast. Everything works very well. So thank you very much for watching. See you until the next.